Happy Monday! Welcome back to Monday Calendar. When we move our arrow over, it is Monday, April 12th today. Do you remember how to spell Monday? M-O-N-D-A-Y. Today is Monday. It is Monday. Monday. And I see we have a birthday on Thursday, Friday, a birthday over the weekend, which means we'll celebrate them on Monday since we won't be together and their name will be on the announcements on Monday, so we like to wait if we can. Okay, it is Monday, April the 12th. We're going to work on some time down here at the bottom. I wonder if you can show 6 o'clock on your analog and digital clock. What would it look like to show 6 o'clock? Think about what we know when it's o'clock. Where is our hour hand? Where is our minute hand? 6 o'clock, we would have our hour hand pointing down at the 6, our big long minute hand pointing up at the 12, and on our digital clock, we have 6 because our hour comes first. A clock means it's the top of the hour, 0 minutes have passed, so we have the 0, 0, 6 o'clock. Did you do it? Good job. Okay, let's check out what our number is today. Ooh, today our number is 81. 81. So we're going to write our number 81 first. 80 is our number word 8. And then we really just add a Y. We don't add another T. 81. Kind of tricky. And that 8 number word is a tricky one. E-I-G-H-T. 81. Okay, we know it's a 2-digit number, and with 2-digit numbers, it tells us how many tens, how many ones. So looking at that 2-digit number, how many tens, how many ones do we see? I know when I look at it, tens, ones. Did you say there were 8 tens and 1 1? Nice job if you did. Okay, now can you show it with your base 10 blocks? How would we represent that with base 10s? I'll give you about 10 more seconds. 81. If I forget, I can always count by tens, right? 10, 8 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 1 more. So if we want to do that in expanded form, 81. So we do 80 plus 1 would be our expanded form number sentence. Ooh, this is sometimes the tricky part for us to think about. 81. Okay. 1 more and 1 less aren't as tricky for us. It's still that 10 more, 10 less we're working on. Okay, 81. When I think about it on my 100 chart, 81, 1 less is over here off because I have to think about, starting with my 1s over here, 1 less. Take away that 1. There's just 80. Even though right on our 100s chart, it's all the way over here in our tens column. You can't even see it. It's off my screen. There it is. 80. Okay. But we do know 1 more, right? 1 less is 80. Thinking about what comes 1 more. Right after 1 is 2. So it would be 82 because we still have our 8 tens. We're changing that number in our 1 spot. Now we have to think about those tens, right? If I want 10 less, I'm not changing the ones. It's like I'm taking one of these away. Then I would have 7. And still 1, 1. 71 would be that number. If I added one more, then it would be 9. After 8 comes 9, so 9 tens. That would be our number 91. 71, 81, 91, right? The magic of that 120 chart. 10 more, 10 less. Always 10 less right above, 10 more right below it. 71, 81, 91. Even if I don't have a 120 chart, I can think about those tens to help me know what's one more and what's one less. Okay, we need to add a straw for our day today. I see we had 100, 3 tens, 4 ones. 100, 3 tens, 4 ones. That's 134 plus, we're running out of space. We're going to add something new on our work. You guys already have it on your page. You just haven't done it yet. We're going to start. We're going to add 1 more straw, right? 1 more to our 1 spot. So 4 plus 1 more equals 5. 4 plus 1 more equals 5. So now we have our 5 ones, 3 tens, 100. So that is like 135. It's the 135th day of school. We're 135 days smarter. And since it's April, we're adding another flower. Looks like we need this purple flower. 135. We filled up 5 more to our next bundle. Okay, today we need to put 91 cents in our piggy bank. If I start with my quarter, 25, 25, 3 quarters was 75. So 75, 10 more. Do we remember what 10 more was? We kept it on there. 75, 10 more is 85. So we can add a dime. So now we have 85. What would we need to get to 90 if we're at 85? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get to 90. Do we have a coin worth 5? We could do 1 nickel. So that would get us to 90, right? That was our least amount of coins. That equaled 90 cents, 3 quarters, a dime, and a nickel. Would it have been the same if I said, okay, 75? Would that have gotten 80 with 5 more? 75, 80. Yeah, that's that counting by 5s, right? 80, and then 10 more is 90. Still gets us to 90 cents. Then what would I need for 91? Yeah, 1 penny. 91, very good. Ooh, I'm gonna guess the way your brain thought of it first, which is a totally okay way to think of it. My guess is you thought about the tens place. I see that there's a 9 in the tens place. That would tell me 9 dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 1 penny. Also, a good way to do it, kind of easy. Nice job. Okay, our last thing today, this is something new. We're going to use this house on your board. We're going to start talking. These are called fact families. We've talked a little bit about how facts are related. We're going to look at how 3 numbers, 2 parts, and their total can give us the turnaround facts, our addition turnaround facts, and 2 related subtraction facts. So let's take a look and see. Today you're just going to do this along with me. This week is going to kind of be learning about it, and next week we'll do some more tricky ones. We're going to start with some easier ones when we think about, if we think about things that equal 5, if I think of 5 as being my total, I'm going to write 5 up at the top. I like to write my total at the top. And then I think about these 2 combined together, like in our number bond. I know 2 and 3 equal 5. Okay, so we have our parts, 2 and 3, that equal 5, our total. Parts, total. Okay, so now we know we can start with part for our addition. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then we can think about its turnaround fact. So that means we turn it around, right? We start with the other part. 3 plus 2, right? Because does it matter if I do, I dropped some sticks, it's okay. 2 and 3, I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Or I could do 3 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Both ways still equal 5. Now, for those related subtraction. Remember subtraction, we have to start with our total, those 2 parts together, the total. So both of our subtraction or takeaway problems are going to start with a 5 because that's our total. So subtraction starts with the total, then we can find the other parts from it. So if I have 5 and I take away 2, that's the first part I saw, it should equal 3. Let's see if that's true, because that's the last number. 5 take away 2 equals 3. So then the other one, if I switch my parts, because my total's going to stay at the beginning, if I take away 3, then 2 should be left over. 5 take away 3, 2 are left over. I can take these 3 away. 2 are left over. Doesn't matter which 3 I take away. 2 are left over, right? Very good. So that's a fact family. 5, 2, and 3 are fact families. We'll do another one tomorrow. Another one with 5. We'll see how 2 other parts can equal 5, and we can make a fact family from it. All right. Great work. I'll see you tomorrow for Tuesday's calendar.